Hey guys, my name is Greg Hogg, and I'm a tech educator with over 700,000 followers in the space, mainly teaching tech interview concepts like DSA, system design, and AI are my specialties. Now, my company and I have partnered with the biggest AI companies in the world, like NVIDIA, Cohere, and GitLab, to name just a few. I've also co-authored a research paper on lung ultrasound diagnosis using AI. We made a fancy convolutional neural network, pretty revolutionary at the time, very fun. Now, these days, I spend my time running Algomap.io, and its bootcamp, which trains professionals for technical interviews. We have helped all the people on the screen and more land awesome roles. Today, I want to tell you my life story and how it got to that point. So I grew up in a town called Hamilton, Ontario. It's about an hour from the big boy city of Toronto in Canada, and both are very cold. It's also an hour away from where I ended up going to university, which is the University of Waterloo. I did math and statistics. The degree is, behind me there. Statistics was not the useful I thought at first, and then I realized that it's formed all of machine learning and AI, and whenever people say AI or machine learning, really it's rooted down to some fundamental statistics concepts. So I'm very glad I went through with that. In that school, you do a bunch of internships. First one was the federal government, second one was the provincial government, then an insurance company for 8 months, then I worked at our biggest food company, Loblaw, and then I actually worked with an AI startup called Deep Breathe, where I wrote that paper I just discussed about. Third year university, I decided that school's fun, yes, but I want to spend the majority of my time actually helping people and, make something for myself. And so I ended up making a YouTube channel. Started out by teaching reinforcement learning concepts, but I started to branch out more into different concepts. I've stumbled upon a nice niche now, which is interview skills and just upskilling things. So mainly I focus on DSA, system design, AI, and those types of concepts. Honestly, I just love learning. It's so fun to me with these LLMs these days. My company uses Gemini for the most part. I just am literally paid to learn now, and it's so fun to me. I hope that everybody can spend a few hours of their day just learning something new, because it really is awesome. Basically, that YouTube channel did really well. Instagram also did really well. I decided to actually run a paid program that started out just as North America, but really for all types of people, whether you want to spend $0 just learning stuff for free, I've got that. Kind of mid-range to license better materials, got that as well. Up into kind of the more exclusive end, where I give my literal day-to-day attention to these people, generally in North America, to try and land some awesome FAANG roles. And again, we've helped tons and tons of people do that. Of course, everyone has ups and downs in life, but really just happy to be here. I'm really blessed and grateful for my family for allowing me to do this. For everyone in my life that's supported me. Definitely, it's corny, but generally couldn't have done it without all of you guys, the followers, and anyone that's supported and enjoyed the material. So thank you so much, guys. I hope this kind of explains my story. Please write a comment and send me an email, and I'll try to talk to you. Bye-bye.